How to grow on YouTube. Many creators make videos, so why is Algrow so successful? Why do channels start? In just 2 months, Algrow gained 50,000 subscribers, and in a year, over 300,000. On the surface, it may seem like a lot. After analyzing Algrow's channel, I discovered it has a 4-step formula used in 90% of its videos. And this formula is crucial, so pay attention. Without this, Algrow fails. If you want success, do this. You need to follow this. If you want success on your channel, watch the video all the way through. Start with step 1, red-green thumbnails. If you look at Algrow's channel, you'll find that 99% of its thumbnails use high-contrast red and green colors.
Why?
Is red and green Algrow's color? Not at all. The reason is just to cut down decision time. In simple terms, Algrow's audience has gotten used to red-green thumbnails. This means, when you clicked on an Algrow thumbnail for the first time, you found a good video to watch. So the next time YouTube recommends a video with a similar thumbnail, your decision time will be reduced, and you'll click on that video. And this loop keeps going. But how can we apply this advice to our channel? Should we begin using red and green thumbnails too? Definitely not. This will hurt your channel views instead of helping them. Red and green thumbnails have become Algrow's brand, and people will believe you are imitating Algrow. All you need to do is maintain consistency in your channel thumbnails. Decide on a color scheme and a font to use in every thumbnail. Color isn't that important, but using the same font in all thumbnails is essential. This way, viewers will instantly recognize your video, which means less decision time if your thumbnails look different. You can still apply this advice. Look at Mr. Beast's thumbnails. They are very consistent. By the way, another reason the algorithm uses red is color psychology. In this video, Algrow talks about psychology, so you can watch it. If viewers abandon the video early, audience retention will decrease. Making intros using. You should know this as a YouTuber. It will be important. Algrow uses the first few seconds like a mastermind. To summarize, Algrow uses his intros to instill a sense of need or an important question in the minds of viewers, assuring them that if they watch the video all the way through, they will find the answer to that question. If it's still unclear, just check out Algrow's intro.
हाउ टू ग्रो अ फैक्ट चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब। इस टॉपिक पर फुल वीडियो जल्दी आएगी, बट उससे पहले फैक्ट चैनल्स की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि यहाँ कंपटीशन बहुत हो गया है। तुम चाहे बेस्ट वीडियो बना लो, मार्केट ही इतनी सैचुरेट हो गई है कि फायदा ही नहीं होता है। बट एक तरीका है जिससे शायद तुम अपने व्यूज 50% से भी ज्यादा बढ़ा सकते हो। तो वो तरीका क्या है, बताता हूँ।
Okay, the intro hooked the viewers, but what about the rest of the video? That's where it matters. In order to grasp this tip, we must view Algrow's video at the 12-second mark. I won't say that. Just make your title, thumbnail, and content better. Everyone says that, but I will give you 4 real practical tips. My favorite among them is going to be number 4. But let's talk about tip number 1. Did you see? Algrow said he will give us 4 tips, and his favorite is tip number 4. To know Algrow's favorite tip, you must watch the video to the end. This trick is called the end reward or payoff. Algrow has a 90% success rate, if you were paying attention. I use this same trick in my video intro. Plus, there's a line Algrow often uses in his videos to create suspense. If you're a fan of Algrow, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Now we finally arrive at step 4, which is essential for Algrow's growth. I remember when Algrow wasn't on YouTube, there were hardly any creators in the How to Grow on YouTube niche who provided good and practical advice. When Algrow arrived, I was truly happy that finally, a YouTuber was discussing important topics. It wasn't just me. The whole Algrow community shared this sentiment. Algrow talked about lesser-known topics such as ECTR, session time, and thumbnail color psychology, and the right editing technique. If Algrow wished, he could have turned every video title and thumbnail into clickbait, like get 4,000 views in 7 days and similar. However, he chose not to. Even if views were slightly lower, Algrow aimed to build a community of viewers.